Oh no. Well, that's disappointing.
That's depressing.
Well, about 3 months later, we're back. Quad is pointed up, but first, enjoy this archival ancient footage from when we actually started working on this thing right now. We're working on the starter now.
Yeah.
So.
And eating dinner.
What part of what video this is at this point, we do not know. You know,
Whatever you want.
Whatever it comes out to be, you know, is what you get. So tough break there, but we got to get all the way in here, which you can't see, in this black hole where you can barely see anything. There's just 2 bolts, you know, one up there and one down there. And then this one fishes all the way through. You can see that. Yeah, it's a little threaded in, but it's real long and it goes all the way through. So pull those bolts.
Real long.
Pull those bolts and fish the stupid starter out from behind that thing. So that ought to be fun.
We'll hope for the best.
Yeah, we'll keep you updated along the road, but it's just going to be a lot of finicking and not a lot of doing things. So,
yes.
You know, that's how it goes.
It's not going to be a fun video to make, but it'll be a fun video for you guys to watch.
Maybe. Or it'll just be another terrible video that we make, you know. Whatever.
Or another video you guys want.
Whatever.
We're doing it anyway.
Yep, we will.
And you're going to like it. I don't know if you can see where Ryan's hand is.
Right there. Can you even see that in the camera? Basically, the little power lead that's on the bottom of the starter. So we finally got her broke free.
Yep.
So
with some teamwork.
It did take some teamwork. And
it's been about an hour, and this is as far as we got.
Now we're free there. So that's good.
And we will update you on other accomplishments. Right, Ryan?
I'm sure they will be few.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Back.
So,
action.
It's a big starter day today. We've smartened up. We got the stove cooking, for one.
And Uncle Si.
We got Uncle Si cooking over there, the little heater. Well, you can't see it because of the light. And we got this thing tipped up, and we took the cover off the bottom, and boom, starter's right there.
Perfect hole.
Yep. It's almost like they thought about this.
Yeah, and we just didn't look into it enough.
We didn't know. I
mean,
mean,
there's also like nothing on the internet about this thing.
And that's the fun of it, right? Not looking it up and just like struggling through it.
Sometimes. 3 months of struggling.
Yeah, but basically we're just gonna get the starter out and replace that, and
we know the relay's working.
Yeah, we're still fighting with the pull start, which is over in the clamp over here. We have to spin this wheel off to, you know, get the housing so we can replace the rest of the stuff, right?
Yeah.
But it's just stuck. So we'll worry about that another time. Our real goal tonight is just the electric start.
If we get the starter in and it starts, I'm not worried about the pull cord because I put a new battery in it, so it'll start.
We're just gonna send it with no pull start, no backup.
Yeah, no backup.
And you can't bump start this because it's belt drive.
So if I'm screwed, I'm screwed.
Yeah, well, we've got tow ropes and it'll be fine.
We don't ride very far from civilization.
We'll basically just catch you guys on an update once we have this stupid thing out of here.
If we get it out.
Yeah, if and when.
If and when. We got 2 bolts off.
Yeah, and basically there's 1 bolt left. It's tucked up behind here.
I can't even show you it.
I mean, show the starter here. So here's your starter. It's on the other side, like directly opposite of about here. So we're getting it turned about 1/8 of a turn at a time.
If we're lucky.
So
this is our system.
He pries back on the clutch cover. I get it on the bolt. I get about 1/8 of a turn, and then it goes behind the clutch cover. So now I've got to pop it out, and then
it comes out at the bottom, and we have a prize. like a vending machine.
And then you start again.
Yeah. So
it is absolutely the worst, the system, but we're probably about how many 8 turns you think we've done? Probably at least 16, right?
Yeah.
So
hopefully.
Shouldn't have too much more. It's a short bolt. So.
Yeah. But we'll get back to you when it's off. Because this is going to take a while.
Yes. She gone.
Deleted.
We got it out. Here's a new
delete.
one. We don't have a gasket maker, so we're just throwing some grease on it.
Then we have a gasket.
You know. Yeah, we're gonna put the gasket.
We have
on
an
it.
actual gasket.
I mean,
but the last one.
this Chinese gasket, how much is that gonna do? You know.
The last one was fried. It's seized now. That's why we're replacing it, obviously. And hopefully, the next clip you see is the quad running off the starter. So
Yeah,
we'll see you then.
We'll start with the starter running.
Yes.
Because this thing hasn't run in like 3 months, so.
Yeah.
Who even knows at this point? But at least the starter should be turning.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Moment of truth. The starter is in. Bump it, dude. We're just gonna bump it while it's upright just to make sure it's working. Oh no. Well, that's disappointing.
That's depressing.
Well, let's put it down and we'll see. Maybe it'll change its mind once it's down.
Yeah, sure.
You never know.
Sure.
Relay could still be bad, even though it's making that noise. Maybe it's not making the connection, so. Well, we'll see. We'll get it down, we'll get the skid plate back on, and get it down, and see what happens.
Fun. Fuel's off.
Fuel's off?
Yeah. No way.
That's pissing fuel.
It's the
pissing fuel out of the bottom.
It's the overflow.
Yeah, well, it's running steady, though. It's pouring out. Everywhere.
Why?
That line is right there.
That's something different. There's something up with that.
Well,
We did the impossible.
we did the impossible. We replaced the starter on a Polaris Xplorer. And
2000 Polaris Xplorer 250 4x4.
we also almost burned the whole shop down because it started completely pouring out all of its gas out of the bottom.
Yeah.
And the starter relay is bad, so we had to just touch the wires together.
Which is very safe when you're next to gas.
Yeah, and it sparks a lot, and there's gas, and the whole shop is filled with fumes, so...
It started for
Yeah,
a second.
It sputtered.
Which is very
You got a video of it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you could hear it sputter, so just be satisfied with that.
Yeah.
And, you know, it's late, and we're both tired, so...
And we're happy we got it in.
Yeah, I'm relieved.
Night.
I'm relieved.
Got it in and out in one night.
Yeah.
Or out and
Oh,
in.
and
And that's time
that's
to go.
our cue. So, till next time, guys. Keep wrenching, keep ripping.
See you next time.
We'll see you guys next time.